Quick little intro, guys. Good morning. It is tournament day. We are getting packed up and fixing to hit the road. We're what, 15 minutes from the ramp? 20 minutes? 20 minutes from the ramp. I have been having a tough time for the past 2 days, but today's a new day. I'm gonna get out there and freaking crush it, baby.
Think this will work?
I'll tell you one thing, man. My truck definitely smells like lake right now. That and dirty feet. Just. Anyways, so the past couple days have been, like I said, a little tough for me, but today's a new day. I've kind of done some recon for the past few days, and I feel pretty confident this morning. Got a good night's rest. No, it's not my bed from home, but it was nice little Airbnb me and the guys picked up, and yeah, man. So we're going to the third boat ramp for this weekend's tournament. Actually, I mean, we've never been on this side of the lake, so it's going to be exciting. There's going to be new waters that I'm going to be covering today, so hopefully we can get on some today, man. Dude, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. This is just a quick little intro video, guys. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of the episode today. Hopefully we can get on some fish and go and find them. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below, dude. All about fishing here on this page, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.
What's going on, big dog? So at this point, man, I didn't really know entirely what to do. I was set up inside this little cove and I was getting a few bites. Just kind of looking around to see if I could see any action, see if I could maybe see fish feeding anywhere. I started moving towards the back of this cove because I noticed a huge fin towards the back. And when I say huge, I mean it looked like maybe somebody, I mean not somebody, but it looked like maybe there was a fish bedding back there. I'm not entirely sure what that looks like, but I have seen some videos online with fish kind of like turning upside down and like maybe the males sweeping their fins back and forth to make a bed. So just because we're pre-spawn area, I mean spawn time, I wasn't sure exactly what was going on back there, but I was trying to work the back of this cove as much as I could just to see if I could get any bites, and unfortunately I wasn't able to get any. So I'm gonna fast forward the clip, guys, and to get into some more action of me actually cracking them fish and catching some fish. So hope y'all enjoy, man.
I hope you're still recording back there. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to this point over here that's kind of covered by the wind. I see a lot of birds over here, so hopefully it's a good ticket. It's a good sign. It's getting a little choppy out here. Update for today, guys. Lake Amistad. For one, the water's super clear. If you've never been here, this is hands down the clearest lake I've fished so far. It's a little windy and cold. I should have brought my sweater, but I forgot it in the truck. Besides that, I've got one fish right now for the tournament. Got 4 more to go to catch a limit. We'll see if we can get her done. Half an inch too short, guys. I think that's a good sign though. First cast, first fish. Starting to get a little choppy out here, guys. See you later, dude.
What's going on, big dogs? Thanks for tuning in, man. So in this area, you can kind of see from the bank where I'm sitting at, I think it was just around 50 to 60 feet or so, but what I ended up finding here, guys, was a grass line that stretched from where I was at to probably where that other kayak angler's at in the video, guys. I don't know if y'all noticed him right there, but he came around the corner, and it was funny because when I saw him creeping around the corner, I thought to myself, son of a gun, man. He came in here and he found the money spot, but he respected the fact that I was in this area, fishing this area before he got here, and he fished that brush pile for a little bit. He had a forward-facing sonar, and he was working that live scope for a little bit. But I guess he ended up not catching anything and just wasn't having any luck. So he ended up packing up his trolling motor and hit a different spot after a few minutes. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of touch on what I saw, man. I had a grass line that was probably 5 to 6 feet deep, and these fish were just they were set up in this grass line. And I fished this grass line for basically the remainder of the tournament. I ended up catching my 5 fish limit here. Well, I caught 1 earlier in the morning, but I ended up catching the 4 remaining fish that I needed for my limit in this area. So huge shout out to the Serious Angler podcast, man. If y'all haven't seen them or heard of them, go on Spotify. I'm sure they have their podcast on, Apple, iTunes, or whatever something with Apple. You can also find them on YouTube, but shout out to Serious Angler podcast, man. I've been really watching and listening to their podcast lately, and they just mentioned in one of their videos kind of like what you see on the water, and the moment I saw that flock of birds, it kind of clicked. So that just kind of goes to show, man, go with your instinct, go with your gut. As soon as I got to this area, that's whenever I started picking them off. So I hope everybody's enjoying the video, man, and hit that subscribe button, man. And let's keep this rolling. Alright, man, so I had to talk about this catch right here. It was so subtle. I was reeling in my lure and didn't even feel the fish bite at all. Until I started seeing my rod bend, I was like, holy crap, I got a fish on. But for a second there, I actually thought my line got caught up in my motor. So just a thought in my mind as I was watching this clip, man. I had to kind of give the backstory to this. But check it out, guys.
Barely. 12 inches. my gosh.
Shit.
Woo! This was one of those moments, guys. My plan was, after catching this fish, fifth fish, I was going to go take some cover out of the wind, upload my fish to the fishing app, Tourney X, because I didn't have any. Yeah, I was frustrated. I didn't have any service out there, so y'all can't see it in the video, but I have a Starlink device inside my black pack, and I was gonna turn it on as soon as I caught my fifth fish, upload my fish to the app, and basically just fun fish for the rest of the day. But man, this last fish, guys, after I lost this fish, this last fish that I had to work for, I grinded for at least 2 hours before I caught my last fish. So just one of them lessons is, just keep chipping away, man. Keep chipping away, and you're gonna eventually end up getting on one. So that's about it, man. Just wanted to touch on that. But yeah, I was super pissed after this, man. I think I ended up losing this fish like 2 or 3 times, and I was telling one of the guys, like, man, dude, that fish had to have a hole in his lip. But anyways, enjoy the video, man.
Woohoo! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
Thank you, fish. Number 5, guys. It has been a grind, guys. It has been a grind. This was number 5 for me. I got a limit now, baby. I landed a good one. I am so freaking happy right now, guys. Goodness gracious, dude. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo! That was a grind, baby. That was a grind. Oh, man, guys. Thanks for tuning in, man. 2026 Lake Amistad, guys. Stop number 1 for the West Texas Kayak Fishing Trail, man. It has been an absolute blast. The past 2 days, I've definitely been doing recon, doing some lessons learned. Re-rigged all my stuff last night and came out here today, guys, and just executed, man. I just landed my 5th fish for the tournament. Just got my limit. I could not be more excited, guys. It has been a freaking blast out here, man. The weather definitely changed. I mean, past couple of days was real hot, and today it was really windy in the morning and cloudy till about right now. The sun just barely came out. So, but man, dude, this is the prime example of just continue hammering away. You pivot and you execute, man. Goodness gracious. Fish number 5 on the board, man. Gonna go ahead and end this video, get these fish submitted, and probably start heading in towards the ramp and see if I can't get a coal, man, on my way to the ramp. But if not, you know what, man, I'm happy with what I got. It's been a blast, man. This is the last freaking red Z-Man, guys, that I have. This is what I've been doing the damage on today. That little Z-Man crawl. Been catching them all, baby. I'll tell you what, it was tough though, having to go through different lures this tournament. Just because I don't fish very many clear lakes like this, man. I don't fish clear lakes like this at all. This one just super clear. That's all I'm doing, baby. Little baby Texas rig on that little Z-Man crawl. Get us a biggin. Let's get us a biggin. Come on. Come on. Need to call that 12-incher. Stop recording. Alright guys, so just wrapped up Lake Amistad 2026 in Del Rio, Texas, man. Just unloaded the kayak at the storage unit that my wife and I decided to go ahead and get for the stuff that was in the garage. And let me tell you, man, I really enjoy, well, one, not having all the clutter in the garage, but two, being able to just come and conveniently load up the kayak when I'm ready to hit the water or hit a tournament. But yeah, conveniently just coming over here and unloading the kayak, pulling off the trailer, wheeling it into the storage unit, and basically doing a quick little clean out of the I'm not the garage, I'm sorry, out of the truck. But man, yeah, just wanted to hop on, man, and kind of wrap up the episode, kind of have some kind of an outro. It was an absolute blast, man. Much needed tournament trip. Do you go into a tournament, or do you go into a new body of water thinking about like what to throw exactly? Do you do recon kind of like prior to the tournament day? Meaning, you know, do you do research on the lake? Do you check to see what kind of forage is in the water? The season of, I guess, the year that you're fishing. I did that, man, the past few months, and thought I had a game plan put together, but yeah, long behold, I did not. My recon either wasn't good enough, or I just didn't. I mean, I don't know. I really don't know. But the past 2 days, or the first 2 days, were just it was a struggle for me. I was on the struggle bus, man. I was fucking just trying to do what I thought was right, going off those main lake points, that main river channel that runs through Amistad, man, off of the north end of the lake. If you've been there before, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. But I think the Devil's River runs down and then it goes into the lake, and that's that main river channel that we were on. And I was setting up on those, you know, those main river channel points and trying to get up against the bluff walls, and yeah, I just was not having much luck at all. I even spotted a few different pieces of structure in the water. There's a big tree, like on one of the first you know, one of the first channels that I was going into. I spotted a big tree, and yeah, I got snagged up a few times. But yeah, I figured I'd at least get a couple more bites down in that area the first day. But I didn't. I caught one fish in the morning, early on in the morning, on a jerkbait, and besides that, didn't catch anything. I lost one, and that was it. Anyways, guys, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. That was kind of my spiel for the outro of this video, man. I hope I put a good video out for this episode to begin with. So, but if you like the videos, man, please hit that subscribe button, man. Drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think about the videos, man. And as always, man, tune in for the next one. Appreciate y'all. You have a good one.